Hey guys, in this video we're diving deep into the top 5 best fire starters available on the market today. Whether you're lighting up a cozy indoor fireplace or heading out for an epic camping trip, these fire starters will make your life easier. As always, you can find product links in the description below. So, let's jump right into it. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the budget-friendly Kafam Natural Fire Starters. Priced at just $9.99, this product delivers excellent value with 70 individual fire starter cubes made from hand-woven natural wood. These are 100% chemical-free, odorless, and eco-friendly, making them ideal for environmentally conscious users. Each cube burns for 8 to 10 minutes, providing sufficient heat to ignite charcoal or stubborn logs, even in damp or windy conditions. Design-wise, the Kafam fire starter sticks are compact and lightweight, making them easy to store or pack for outdoor adventures. Their reliable performance in all weather conditions makes them a great companion for camping trips or survival kits. Plus, they're safe for cooking with no smoke or odors to affect the flavor of your food. While these fire starters are perfect for smaller fires, they may not be the best choice for larger or long-lasting fire setups due to their relatively short burn time and lower quantity per package. Overall, the Kafam fire starters are ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want a versatile and eco-friendly product for occasional use. The compact size and reliable ignition make them great for portability, but keep in mind that you'll need multiple cubes for larger fires. Pros include affordability, natural composition, and portability, while the main con is the shorter burn time compared to higher-end options. At number 4, we have the Huo 100 Pieces Fire Starters. This product is highly versatile and designed for both indoor and outdoor use, ranging from fireplaces to camping trips. Each fire starter burns for 5 to 10 minutes, making it an efficient way to start fires without the need for lighter fluid or paper. The fire starters are made from non-toxic wood shavings and wax, ensuring no harmful chemicals or odors during use, perfect for grilling without imparting any strange tastes to your food. The design is compact and comes in a resealable zipper bag, making it easy to store and transport. These fire starters are weather-resistant, performing well even in damp or windy conditions. With 100 pieces per bag, you'll have plenty for regular use, and the eco-friendly materials make them a safe choice for the environment. However, the smaller burn time compared to premium options means you might need multiple starters for larger fires. The Huo Fire Starters are a fantastic option for frequent users who want an affordable and versatile product that performs reliably in varied conditions. Pros include their natural composition, weather resistance, and large quantity per pack. The main con is their shorter burn duration, especially when compared to higher-end models, at just $10.99. They represent a solid value for everyday use. They represent a solid value for everyday use. Pros include their natural composition, weather resistance, and large quantity per pack. The Huo Fire Starters are a fantastic option for frequent users who want an affordable and versatile product that performs reliably in varied conditions. Pros include their natural composition, weather resistance, and large quantity per tack. They might present a solid value for everyday use. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Pure Garden Fatwood Fire Starter Sticks. This product comes in a hefty 10-pound box of all-natural pine wood sticks, making it perfect for those who need a bulk supply of reliable fire starters. These fatwood sticks ignite easily, even when damp or wet, and produce a strong flame without the use of chemicals or additives. Just place a few sticks under your wood or charcoal, light them up, and enjoy a roaring fire in minutes. The design of these fire starter sticks is straightforward. They're long-lasting and easy to handle. Their natural pine composition ensures they won't rot or degrade over time, making them a great investment for long-term use. They're versatile too, suitable for fireplaces, wood stoves, grills, and outdoor fire pits. However, due to their larger size, they might not be as portable as some of the more compact options on this list. The Pure Garden Fatwood Fire Starter Sticks are ideal for users who value natural materials and need a dependable, bulk solution for regular use. Pros include their long shelf life, reliable ignition, and versatility. The main con is their bulkiness, which makes them less convenient to carry for outdoor trips. At $22.84, they're priced slightly higher, but offer excellent value for frequent users. Taking the number 2 spot is the Inflame Fire Starters, with a whopping 130 pieces per box. These fire starters are crafted from natural wood shavings and Dutch food-grade wax, ensuring a safe and odorless burn that won't affect the taste of your food. They're weather-resistant, making them a reliable choice for outdoor use in damp or windy conditions. Each piece burns for several minutes, allowing you to ignite wood or charcoal efficiently with just 1 or 2 starters. Design-wise, the box is compact and easy to store, perfect for keeping in your pantry or packing along for a camping trip. The performance of these fire starters is impressive, providing consistent ignition across various applications like fireplaces, grills, wood stoves, and fire pits. However, at $26.59, they're on the pricier side, but you're getting a high quantity and excellent reliability for the cost. The Inflame Fire Starters are ideal for users who need a large supply of versatile and weather-resistant fire starters for frequent indoor or outdoor use. Pros include their natural, food-safe formula, weather resistance, and large quantity per box. Cons are their higher price and slightly shorter burn time compared to premium options. Overall, they're a solid choice for heavy-duty users. Finally, at number 1, we have the Superior Trading Fire Starter Pods. This premium option comes in a durable plastic bucket containing 50 extra-large pods made from natural wood shavings and food-grade wax. What sets these fire starters apart is their impressive burn time of 15 to 20 minutes, making them ideal for igniting large logs, charcoal, or stubborn firewood. The pods are waterproof and designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making them perfect for fireplaces, grills, wood stoves, and campfires. In terms of design and build quality, Superior Trading Company ensures a well-crafted product that's easy to store and transport. The plastic bucket adds convenience for storage and portability. Plus, these pods are safe for cooking, with no chemical additives or odors to affect your food. The brand's commitment to sustainability and community support, like planting a tree for every order, adds a feel-good factor to your purchase. At $26.99, the Superior Trading Fire Starter Pods are the most expensive on the list, but they deliver top-notch performance, long burn times, and eco-friendly benefits. Pros include their extended burn duration, waterproof design, and high-quality materials, while the main con is the higher price. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the fire starter to go with. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the best fire starters on the market. If this video helped you make a decision, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.